Yes, I'm gonna do another one of these, but in the whale mold. For one, my husband and my kids love this so much, and so do I, that we're gonna do the little matching pair. So, I've got some resin mixed up. I got, let's see, what was it? I think I got 168 grams mixed up, which is about 5.9 ounces. And I didn't know what to call this. And on the back of the package, it just says aquarium plastic plant. So, it's an aquarium plastic plant, if you're wondering. Okay, cut it down too, so let's see. Okay, that worked fine. All right, I've got some clear. I went ahead and mixed some, I went ahead and sprayed some alcohol in here. Shake some more of that out. Let's get some in there. I know you're probably shocked I'm doing the starfish again, but it looks so beautiful in the seal. And the detail on it, wow. My daughter's got a new iPhone, and man, the newest ones, the detail on those is amazing. I do know there's a little bit of like starfish dust in here. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna pour a tiny bit of resin in here and go ahead and get them coated. Before I put them in there. If he'll get off there. Yeah. Just floating right up. Well, I already know my little white stuff will hold them down in there. If I can just get them to stay in there till I get that in there. I think I want to do another starfish, though. Oh, God. I don't know if my phone's zooming in and showing me the detail, but anyway, awesome. Okay, I pressed one in against the side. I'm going to push him back down again. He's kind of curved, so I'm having issues. I cut that a little shorter. I don't know if that's gonna keep him down or not. I see him floating up. Okay, maybe that'll hold him down. I did see a bubble just go in there, darn it. Okay, I didn't think I was gonna be using all 5 of the ounces, almost 6 ounces. Casey did tell me, my friend though, she did say it held a lot, so. Like I said in my other video, Casey's the one that bought these that made me want to buy them. I thought they were cutest things ever. Right there. And just because he's broken doesn't mean I'm not going to use him because he's still beautiful. Oh. Alright guys, I'm going to let this cure up. And then we'll put it back on it. See ya. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this color in. And darn it, that is not the same color. Oh, what did I put in? I've got to go look what color I put in. Well, this is the Let's Resin turquoise, but apparently that's not what I used. I don't know what I used. This is some Decorom turquoise. And I wanted them to be like identical, but that is not what's gonna happen. But that's okay. I can literally make this one, do another one later if I want. And they don't have to be the exact same anyway. Just similar. Okay. Now when I come back and top it off, I'll do it with shells and resin. I'm out of my little starfish, or I would put some more in there. I do have another little broken shell from my daughter that I can put in there. I might wait and put it at the bottom. The last layer I'll do darker with the same color as I had already used. You know, I don't want to go changing up my colors in this one, so. Okay, we'll let that cure and I'll see you soon. Okay, let's get this in there. I mixed up the turquoise. And some of the aqua from Let's Resin and Decorom. Okay. Oh, that's a big shell. Oh goodness, I'm afraid it's too big. Oh, I have to get it out of there. Darn it, it's just too big. Oh, there's so many beautiful shells here. So excited. Maybe my husband will see this and say, oh, you want to go to the beach so bad, I'll take you. Well, it's a dream, yeah. Okay, that's all I better do. I'm gonna have to hurry and put these in something else so I don't waste them. I'm gonna pour this in a snail real quick, just so I don't waste it. Whoa, big ol' honking shell. That's just in the body. I can do something to top them off later. All right, guys, I'm gonna let this cure up. I'll see ya. Okay, let's take a look at this. I'm excited. Whoops. I wiped everything that was onto the floor. Whoops. Okay, goodness gracious. Oh, I love it. That one seashell I put there. I still like the color a lot. You can see the shells. I love that. Aw, they'll look so cute by each other. I love it a lot. Nice. Okay, I will get a picture posted of that. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an extraordinary day. See ya.